fridges in the back of my truck, my box truck, as a matter of my 16-foot box truck. And I picked up those fridges this past weekend. I had no reason to dispose of them until today because I have a full junk removal. It is outside trash that a renter left outside for the landlord, and it's really nice. It's just scattered all up on the street, it's on the curb, and that's what we're gonna pick up today. But what I wanted to show you is I have about a 40-gallon trash can on the back of this box truck, the 16-foot box truck, that is full of wire, electric wire, and it's the cords from, you know, you name it, refrigerators, dryers, stoves, hot tubs, the motors on the hot tubs. It's the cords, just the electrical cords that have wire inside of them. We're gonna recycle that today, and let's see how much money we get from it, because I'm really looking forward to the 40-gallon trash can is almost full to the top, and I guess it weighs about maybe 80 pounds or maybe 90 pounds. So it's 90 pounds of copper wire. That's what it is. We're gonna see right now, driving up here with these 4 or 5 refrigerators that I've got this past week, and the trash can with about 80 pounds to 90 pounds of copper wire. Let's see how much I get at the recycling center, because I know the price of recycling is really high right now across the whole US. So I wanted to see what I can get. Plus, here's the great thing about it, I need my box truck empty, and that's the biggest thing. I need it empty so I can go and do this job, this curbside pickup today. All right, I gotta unload 4 fridges, so I'm gonna do that really quick. It's empty. There it is. I don't know how many gallons it is per se, but it's empty. Oh boy. All right, I'm gonna go see how much I made. 4 refrigerators exactly, and this thing had 90 pounds. 90 pounds. Is it 201 your count? This is the 10. Refrigerators. You have a wonderful day. All right. I recycled 4 fridges, okay? And I want to be sure I get my calculator out, because this is, you know, I had recycled a little, I think it was about a week ago, a little more than a week ago, and I had recycled, but I didn't know how much metal had gone up in the last few weeks. This is crazy. So I got $122.50 in 4 refrigerators. 4. Divide that by 4. That's $30.68 each refrigerator. Each refrigerator. Okay, just to let you know, I have about 42 fridges on my property from the haunted house. So 42 times $30. I have over $1,200 in refrigerators at my property right now. Holy cow, I have a lot of fridges at my property. That's $1,260. Well, anyway, regardless, I made $122.40 off the fridges. That's $30, an average of $30 a fridge, because each fridge, there was only 4 fridges, and you know, you get 4 divided into 122. And which I'm pretty disappointed in, the 60-gallon or 40-gallon trash can of copper only netted me $35.71. So I made a little over $152 at the landfill today. Not so bad. The cool thing about it, I've only been here 30 minutes. It only took me 30 minutes to come to the landfill, finish all this, and leave. So I made $150 something, $155 in 30 minutes. You know what? I'll take that today. I'll take that, because